Guys, it's Ritik Roy from Roy Education World. In last video, we have completed up to a raw diagram of beyond C. Beyond C. Today we have to see the raw diagram when we place the object at position C in at center of curvature in concave mirror. We have uh, we have see the conditions for the formation of a rod diagram. We need two ray, at least two ray. Or what is concave mirror? A concave mirror which outer side is painted or inner side is silver or polished. Okay, and we have to draw now raw diagram at C. C means center of curvature. Okay, this is a principal axis and this is a P and this is a F and this is a C. Center of curvature, pole of focus and pole of mirror. Okay, we put it here first. Okay, then I describe you. We need at least two rays to form any image. When any ray of light parallel to principal axis, then it passes through focus. And now we have to take another ray. Then I take a ray to principal focus. Then we know that the criteria that whenever and the line is going to principal focus, then after reflection it make angle I equals to angle R. It's okay. Then it's some like it's cut here at C. It cut at C. You know, here at C. Then for nature of object, I describe you that whenever our image is formed left side of mirror, this is left side of mirror and this is right side of mirror. Whenever an image formed left side of mirror, then it's always real and inverted. And whenever our image is in right side of mirror, then it's formed virtual and erect image. Okay. So nature of image is first real, second inverted, and third we have to see at what position it formed. It is formed at C, and now we have to see the size in which side is formed. I told you that whenever image is formed in front of the object, then it is larger than object, and whenever it is at same position of object, then it is equal to the same size of the object. And whenever it is beyond the object, then it is formed larger than object. Here my image is not correct, but at the same position, so it is same size of the objects. It is same size of object. Same size of object. Okay, my image is not perfect. You have to make it by skill and protector. Then you see that the image height equals to object height. Okay. Now we have to see. I told you there is 6 positions. One is at infinite and beyond C. Then the third one is at C. Then we move forward. Then it's formed between C and F. Okay, and image go forward from your friend. I give example of your friend. So the image is going to be beyond C, at the beyond C, and object is kept at between C and F. Between C and F. This is our third one, and this is our fourth one. Between C and F. Center of curvature and pole of mirror. I define you both the term defined in the last video. Okay. See here, it is printed or silvered from inner side and painted by outer side. Okay, this is focus, this is focus, and this is center of curvature, and this is pole of mirror. Okay, when you, we have to keep it between center of curvature and focus. Then we keep it anywhere between the center of curvature and focus. So draw it like here. It is all showing. Here is our object. Okay. Whenever our line is parallel to principal axis, then it passes through focus. Okay. And whenever passes through pole of the mirror, then it's go angle I equals to angle R formed. So we know it is something here. It is some like here. So now we have to see the nature. It is left side of the mirror, then real and inverted. Real and inverted. Real and inverted. Okay, and now we have to see where it is formed. It is formed beyond C. Here is C, and it is formed beyond C. Okay, it is beyond C. And fourth one, size. I told you that whenever it is in the front of the object, then it is going to be smaller than object. Or whenever it is at the same position of object, then it is going to form same size of the object size. And whenever it is beyond the object, then it is going to be larger than object. Then it is larger. Okay. And now we have to see on the whenever we go forward, then it is at focus. Let us see at focus where the image is formed. It is very interesting. Okay. At F. Okay. At F. This is concave mirror. Okay. This is principal axis. This is pole of mirror. This is focus, and this is center of curvature. Okay, we have to put object at F. Okay, at F. Then we see here whenever it goes to principal axis, then it passes from principal focus. Okay, and when it is passes through the pole of the mirror, then it is also make the angle I equals to angle R. Then what you see here? You say that it is not meted, it is not intersected at any place, but it seems that the distance between them are always same. Distance between them are always same. They are always parallel. Then it is assumed that somewhere it is going to be infinite. So we show it by dot. It is going to be at very distance it is going to be meet. It is assumed. Okay. The nature. First it is forming left side, then it is formed real, and second it's formed inverted, and third it is beyond the object, so it is larger, highly larger, and where it is formed? It is formed at infinity, okay. And now see a very interesting position of image of object, and where it is image is formed now. Okay, and now we have to place the object between focus and the pole of the mirror, between focus and pole of mirror. Okay, this is a concave mirror. And now see here, this is C and this is focus and this is pole of mirror. Okay, sit pole of mirror, here is pole of mirror, and we place the object between focus and the pole of mirror here. Okay, when a ray of light parallel to principal axis, then it passes through focus, then it passes through focus, and whenever it passes through the pole of mirror, then it is going to be angle I equal to angle R is formed. It is seen that when light after reflection, light getting diverged. So it is anywhere it is going to meet? No, it is not going to meet anywhere. So assume that if anyone see from here at any place, the image is seen to be here behind the mirror. Image is seen behind the mirror. It is a virtual image. It is assumed and it is not 100% sure. So nature of the image is first it is right side of the mirror. I am always saying left side, then it is going to be real and inverted, and it is if it is formed right side of the mirror, then it's formed virtual and erect. And third one, where it is formed, it is forming, forming beyond the mirror, and fourth one, it is its size is larger. It is said to be larger because see here, it is going to be larger form. Larger one. It's okay. We see it. Okay. And now it's turn to draw the diagram of the convex mirror. There is one certain place. Okay. Convex mirror. Image formed by convex mirror. Image formed by convex mirror. Image formed by convex mirror. What is convex mirror? It is painted by inner side and polished and printed by outer side. Okay, we know this is pole of the mirror and this is the focus and this is center of curvature. We always know that your object is placed in left side of the mirror. Okay, so there is no certain place where we have to place the object. Okay, so we place anywhere, and we see only two cases where in the case of convex mirror, first at the infinity and second at any position. Okay, now we have to see when light is coming from the coming from infinity, after reflection it diverges because it is diverging mirror, so it is going to be diverged. Okay, then there is no images formed, but it is assumed that something image is going to form here. Image is going to be formed at focus. Okay, And now we have to see the nature. This is at infinity. At infinity. Okay? This is at infinity. Now see the nature of image. First, it is right side of the mirror, so it is going to be for virtual image. Virtual image, and second, erect. We always use erect with virtual. Okay, and now we have to see size of the object. Then it is in the front of the object. Then it is going to be a smaller one. Okay, and where it is formed? It is at F. At focus. Okay. Now see second position. After infinity, we place anywhere, then image is going to form between focus and the pole of the mirror. Okay, so take it. It is a convex mirror. Okay, this is pole of the mirror, and this is focus, and this is center of curvature. Okay, line passing through the focus and the center of curvature is known as principal axis. Now we place the object between infinity and the pole of the mirror anywhere. Then image, we place it here. This is going to be here, something like here, and when we pass the ray through center of curvature. Center of curvature. Okay, this is going to be center of curvature. Then we center of curvature. Okay, and this is going to be at F. This is between P and F. It is meeting here. See, it is meeting here. So image is going to be formed between P and F. And now see the nature of the image. First, it is right side. It is right side of the mirror. We see that whenever an image is formed in right side of the mirror, then it is going to form virtual image. And whenever image is formed in left side of the mirror, then it is going to form the real. And we use erect with virtual, and we use inverted always with real. Okay, and size of the image depend on three conditions. When the object is in the front of the object, when the image is in the front of the object, then it is going to form the smaller one. And when the image is at the same position of the object position, then it is going to be same side of the object. Okay, and when the image is formed beyond the object, then it is going to be larger than object. Okay, see here, then it is virtual. It is right side of the mirror, so it is from virtual image. It is virtual, and we use erect with virtual. Always erect with virtual. Okay, and third, size of the image. It is always smaller. It is smaller. It is seen because it is assumed. It is not sure. It is assumed that it is going to form there. Okay, smaller. And where it is formed? It is forming between focus and the pole of the mirror. Okay, between P and F. Okay, between P and F. We see all this. Okay, now we have to see the uses of concave mirror. It is used in torch. You see the front of the torch, there is a glass. Then that glass is a mirror. That is concave mirror. Okay, in searchlights and vehicles headlights. The headlights of vehicles are concave mirror. You see it is like that. It is something like this. Car headlight, something like this. Okay, Uses of convex mirror. It is found in the hall of various buildings, like in school buildings. It is used. Okay, it is used as a rear view mirror. What is rear view mirror? The mirror which is used to see the vehicles behind your car or your bus or whatever you are driving. So it is known as that is known as rear view mirror. Why it is used as rear view mirror? Why the convex mirror is used as rear view mirror? Because first it provides a wider field of view. It provides larger field of view. Or second, it form a small image. We see the two cases. Always it form a small image. It's helping to see the distance between the cars or a certain distance or a very large image in short place or in a short mirror. That's why it is used as a rear view mirror. Let us see the sign of convention. What does the sign of convention means? A certain rule that we have to follow in the case of mirror. It's okay. First we have to draw the coordinate system. What is coordinate system? This is something like this. Okay, this is y and this is y dash. This is x dash and this is x. And this is origin. And this is first quadrant and second quadrant and this is third quadrant and this is fourth quadrant. Okay, we have to see this into the math. Okay, let us see the sign of convention. What does the sign of convention states? First, let us consider the fluid system over the which mirror is placed that origin of coordinate coincide with pole of mirror. What it means? This is pole of mirror, and we know that this is origin of coordinate. Now we have to let us consider fluid system over which mirror is placed such that origin of coordinate coincide with the pole of mirror. Means this is the origin of the coordinate and this is the pole of mirror. We have to place the mirror in such a way that this origin and the pole of mirror is at same place. Here you may see it. If we place the mirror here and we place in such a way that the pole of mirror is come here. Okay, and see in the next. The distance right of pole taken as positive, where the distance left of pole taken as negative. What does it mean? It means that this is the right side, then always virtual image, or we say anything, any length that is coming in right side of the mirror, either we an image is formed, then we consider positive. Always positive. We have to know that virtual image, length of virtual image is always positive, and length of real image is always negative. Length of real image is always negative. Length of virtual image is positive and length of real image is negative. The left side of pole is taken as negative, and we always remember the distance of object is always taken as negative, and virtual image is positive and real image is negative. Okay, and let us see distance above the principal axis taken as positive, whereas down the principal axis is taken as negative. Means that this portion is taken as positive and this one is taken as negative. Okay, we place always object in this form. then it is always the principle is positive. It is always positive. Object height is always positive. Object height is always positive. Object height is always positive, and image height is always negative. And not always not negative, but in the case of convex it is also positive. We have to see object is always positive, and the image height is depend on the situation where it is going to be formed. And the virtual image is always formed right side. We know the right side of the mirror, then it is always in positive, and real image always formed in left side of the mirror, then it is always in negative. Okay, and height we have to above the principal axis it is positive, and below or down the negative it is always taken as negative. Okay, let us see mirror formula. What is mirror formula? Mirror formula is relation between focal length and object distance and the image distance. Let us see. It is relation between focal length, object distance and image distance. As I told you, 1 by V equals to 1 by U equals to 1 by F, where V is image distance. Image distance. And U is object distance. Object distance. And F is focal length. F is focal length. Now let us solve our example. Let us see the question. If an object is placed in front of concave mirror of focal length 15 cm, where should object is placed? Object is placed so that the image formed 60 cm away from mirror. First of all, we have to see what information we have to give it. Okay, what information we have to give it? We have to give it first focal length. Here we have to give it F. F is 15 cm. Okay, and what is second information we have given? Image formed 60 cm away from image. Distance. Image distance is given. Image distance means V. V is given 60 cm. We do not know where it is going to form. So let us see here. First it is it. Okay. We have here given focal length 15 cm and 60 cm, and we have to find U. U means object distance. Now, first draw a raw diagram to know where it is going to form. It helps in maximum probability that our answer is going to be correct if we draw the raw diagram. Okay, let us first draw a ray diagram. It is a state that it is a concave mirror. It is a concave mirror. First, it is a concave mirror. Okay, it is focal length. Focal length is 15 centimeter. It is pole. Okay, and it is U. It is C, and we know that it is 2F, then it is going to be 30 centimeter, and it is 15 centimeter. I tested that V is image distance is 60 centimeter. 60 centimeter. Image distance is all from the here. Okay, in case of concave mirror, it is 60 centimeter. What we see here, it is image is formed beyond C. When the image is formed beyond C, when we place the object between, let us see with rod diagram. Okay, we have to erase this calculations. Now beyond C, then it is going to be passed from the focal pole, then it is going to be angle I equal to angle R. Angle I equal to angle R is formed here, and now we have to pass it from focus. Whenever it is passed from the focus, then we know that it is going to be parallel. It is something between C and F, between C and F, between C and F. Then we are able to know that image distance is, object distance is always between 15 and 30 centimeter. Okay, this diagram help in it provide maximum probability of correctness of our calculation. Okay, now solve it. We know that the mirror formula is 1 by V plus 1 by U equals to 1 by F. Now see here, F by sign of convention, we know that object is always placed in left side of the mirror, and it is be negative with negative sign, so it is going to be minus 15 centimeter, and we know that it is a real image. Okay, then real image is always represented with negative sign, because it always formed in left side of mirror. Always remember the sign of convention and the rod diagram, then we get the perfect answer. Maximum probability of our answer is correct. Okay, this is negative sign. Okay, now see here 1. Okay, 1 by V. What is V? V is minus 60. Okay, and we do not know U. Okay, and now focal length. Okay, 1 by minus 50. We see here. Okay, now next procedure, it is going to be negative, it is positive, and we know that positive into negative is always negative. Okay, we know this. Now this is minus 60, this is going to, this whole system is going to this side. Okay, see here, 1 by U equals to 1 by minus 50. This is in minus. After going this side, this is going to be plus. Okay, this is going to be 1 plus 60. 1 plus 1 by 60. Okay, now see here, 1 by U equals to, we take the LCM of these two. The LCM of 15 and 16 is 60. Okay, when we divide 60 from 15, this is going to be 4. Okay, this is going to be 4. So here is a minus, and then it is going to be minus. By 60, we divide 60 by 60, then it is going to be 1. We know that. Okay, let us see, this is the question. We know the question is, what is the question? We have to find U. Okay, see, it is the question. Now see here, 1 by V equals to 60, plus minus, this is going to be minus 3, because the minus 4 is greater. Okay, the value is subtracted. Okay, here 1 by 20. This is 1 by U equals to minus 1 by 20. Then U is going to be equals to minus 20. It is reciprocal. What is it is representing? Minus. It is representing that object is placed in left side of the mirror. And now we have to check our answer is correct or not. What is condition? It is found between C and F. Okay, and we have the focal length 15 centimeter and center of curvature is 30 centimeter. Now we are able to know that the object distance is 20. It is correct. Minus 20 is correct. Minus 20 is correct. Okay. So we have to, for solving calculation of mirror, we have to take two things in our mind. First, we have to draw the rod diagram. What is seen here? And first, information. What is information given? Information. And what we have to find. And then we have to draw a rod diagram. After drawing the rod diagram, we have to see the sign of convention. Sign of convention, it's help in solving the calculation. And then we have to simplify it. It is very interesting. Physics is very interesting. We have to only make it very interesting, not the purpose of solving it, but purpose of understanding it. Okay, then it is going to be very fantastic. Okay. Now see the magnification. What is magnification? It is a ratio of height of object to height of image, which is equals to negative of image distance by object distance. It is ratio of height of object to height of image. Height of image, which also equals to negative of image distance to object distance. Height of image distance equals to height of image by height of object, which also equals to V by U. Okay. Height of image by height of object, or negative of image distance by object distance. Okay. Now it is very interesting. Light chapter is very interesting. Thank you for watching me. Like and subscribe my channel.